Hello friends, welcome again my channel Cubing Lab, and today in this video I will solve this gear Pyraminx Rubik's cube. So this is very interesting Rubik's cube, and we can say this is very lazy Rubik's cube. For example, in this cube we can see when we apply algorithm down down up up, so you can see we can apply this algorithm very fast and very easily. But in this cube, if we want to apply same algorithm down down up up, so this is very slow movement like that. You can see this is down down up and up. So this is very slow Rubik's cube, and we can solve this cube same like this simple Pyraminx Rubik's cube, but some little bit steps are different in this cube, because in this cube we have these gears. So if we will solve these gear, so we will change our some algorithm, but maximum we can solve this cube same like this simple Pyraminx. This is simple Pyraminx Rubik's cube. In this cube we can see these are our corner pieces like that. So these are our corner pieces, this white, red and black, red and orange. This is corner piece, this is also corner piece. So these are corner pieces and these are our edge pieces. These two color pieces are our edge pieces, and in this cube these are our center pieces, and we can match these centers along with these pieces like that. So these are our center, these are our edge pieces, and these are our corner. Same in this cube we can see these are our corner pieces, this red, green and yellow, this is our corner, and these are our gears, and these are also our edge pieces. So these are our edge pieces, and in this cube these pieces are our center pieces. You can see this yellow piece is our center piece, but in this cube in every side we can see these three dots. You can see 1, 2 and 3. So these three dot pieces are also our center pieces. So this is our main center, and these are our rotating center. You can see when we scramble this cube, so these are also flipped. So this is our main centerpiece, and these are also our centerpiece, and we can connect these pieces with this. So now I will scramble this cube, and then I will show that how we solve this gear Pyraminx Rubik's cube. So our cube is scrambled properly. Before solving this cube, I want to tell one more important thing in this cube. So when we rotate this cube and when we solve this cube, so we will focus on these four dots. When I want to rotate any layer, so we will again match these dots same like that. So that is our one round like that. When we rotate like that, so you can see if we leave our cube in this position, so from any other side we will not able to rotate our cube. So first we will rotate our cube properly same like that. Whenever we match these dots like that, then we will rotate our cube from any other side, as you can see. So from any side we will rotate this cube, so we will match these three dots with this center. So it's mean we have complete our one round. If we want to rotate U, so we will rotate this upper face like that, and again we will match these dots. So our use step is complete. Okay, now I will solve this cube. So in this cube, our first step, we will find three matching color from every side. As you can see, same like in this cube, this is simple Pyraminx. So in this cube, our first step, that we can find our these same pieces like that. Then second step, we will match with these centers like that. So same this step we will apply in this cube. So how we will apply, you can see there is green in this corner, green available, and also in this corner green color is available. So you can see one common color we have in these three corner piece. So green is our common color. Now we will match green same like that. As you can see, this is green face and also matching with this green dot. So this is our right piece. So we will match these two green pieces same like that. We will match with green dots. Now we will rotate this side and we will rotate this layer whenever we will able to match same situation. So this is correct and this is also correct. Now we will rotate this layer and match green corner with green dot. So we will continue our this round whenever. Okay, so now you can see this is done, this is done, and this is also done by matching with these dots. So we will solve this main center at the end. So our first step, we will match these dot with these matching color. So we have matched three. So in opposite side, in this side, this piece is rotated, you can see. So we will rotate this piece and also match same like that. So our first step will complete. Okay, now you can see from every side our blue face is done by matching with these dots. Our red face is done, our green is done, yellow is done. This is done. So this is also done. Green is done, maroon color also done. So same you can see in this cube we have matched all pieces. And in this simple Pyraminx Rubik's cube we apply our next step. So we complete any one side. So we can select black side, orange, green, red. So we can select any side. For example, I select this red side. I will complete this red side by matching these. So how we can complete, you can see this is red and black. So match black with black, then rotate this side up with match red and bring it down. This is red and green, match with green, bring it up, match with this and bring it down. In simple cube, this is our first step. We complete our this bottom layer and complete our this face. Okay. Now in this gear Pyraminx Rubik's cube, we will apply same trick. For example, if I select this red side, then I will fix one blue and red edge piece in this position. Then I will fix green and red edge piece in this side and also red and yellow edge piece in this side. So it's mean we will complete our this bottom layer. From this side, if we start cube, so we will need their yellow and red edge piece. First we will find yellow and red piece. So this is yellow and red edge piece. We will put this piece in this position. So how we will fix? We start our algorithm because this edge piece available in our right side, so we will apply our algorithm from red side. So our algorithm is write down. You can see our step is complete because these dots are properly matches. Then left down, right up, left up. Okay, our algorithm is complete. Now you can see we have fixed our one correct edge piece. Similar, in this side we will fix blue and red edge piece. In this time you can see our blue and edge piece available in our left side. It's mean we will apply our algorithm from left side. So left down, right down, left up and right up. We have complete our algorithm. Now you can see we have fixed our second edge piece. So this is done, this is done. Now we will fix green and red edge piece. Okay, this is tricky position. You can see our green and red piece is available in this back side. So how we will fix this green and red piece? So we will bring this piece in this position, and also we can bring this piece in this position. So any position, first we will bring this piece like that. So I bring this piece in left side, then I will apply algorithm from left side. Right down, left down, right down, left up and right up. Okay, this is done, this is done, this is done. Now we will first again match this top layer because we rotate our edge piece from this side. So our this side is rotated. We will rotate this side like that. So you can see once again our cube is assembled properly. So we have complete our bottom layer. Now we will fix these three edge pieces. In this situation you can see our all pieces are proper on place. You can see from this side we will need green and blue, so green and blue edge piece is available. There is yellow and green available and properly placed, and in this side we have available yellow and blue. So in this position we have already available our pieces. I will show two more cases in this layer. So when we complete our this bottom layer, so in this top layer we can face two different kind of cases. So this is first case. In this case we can check our these edge pieces, like this is green and yellow, so this piece will fix in this position, this blue and yellow will fix in this position, and this green and blue will fix in this position. So these three edge pieces are rotating anti-clockwise. This is simple Pyraminx. In this cube we can check our pieces. So you can see these blue pieces will rotate in this side, these yellow will rotate in this side. So in this cube you can see these edge pieces are rotating anti-clockwise. So when we rotate these pieces anti-clockwise, so we will apply R U R prime U R U R prime. We have rotated our pieces. Okay, Same case in this cube. You can see our these edge pieces will rotate anti-clockwise. So we hold cube from any angle. We will keep bottom this layer, this solved layer, and we will apply algorithm. So these edge pieces will rotate anti-clockwise. So our anti-clockwise algorithm is R U R prime U R U and then R prime. Now we will just, this is gear cube, so we will need this top face like that. So we will rotate this top face whenever we will match these three dot pieces. Now you can check, this is done, this is also done, this is also done, and these are also done. So we have fixed our all edge pieces properly. So sometime we have this kind of situation. You can see these green will rotate in this side, these orange will rotate in this side, these yellow will rotate in this side. So this is our clockwise rotation. So whenever we will find this kind of case, so our clockwise algorithm also I will show you. So we can apply same algorithm in gear Pyraminx if we need our edge pieces rotate clockwise. So our clockwise algorithm is R U prime R prime U prime R U prime and R prime. This is our clockwise algorithm. If we find same case in this cube, so we will apply clockwise algorithm. Okay, so our step is complete. We have fixed our all edge pieces properly. Now we will just match these edge pieces same like that. You can see this edge piece is properly fixed. So now we will find any edge piece. You can see this is our edge piece, but this cube edge piece is in this position. I mean, you can see this is like that. This is not in 45 degree. We will find any edge piece. I will show like that. You can see this edge piece. This is rotated 45 degree. So we will find any edge piece like this position. So this is our edge piece, but this is our solved piece. We will keep this piece in bottom layer. We will not keep this piece in this rotation like that. If we will keep this piece in this position, so our this piece will flipped and this will be solved. So we will keep this piece in our safe position, and now we will keep this piece in our front and we will rotate our cube 6 times clockwise. If we have done our piece properly, so it is okay. Otherwise we will again rotate our this piece 12 times anti-clockwise. So first I will rotate this piece 6 times clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 then 6. Now you can see I have rotated this piece 6 times, so this is properly fixed. Now we have fixed two pieces properly. Again we will find any edge piece in like that, I mean in 45 degree. For example, this is not proper piece, this is also not proper piece, so this is our ideal piece. Okay, so if we rotate this piece from this angle, so this will be solved, this will be rotated. if rotate from this angle, so same situation. So we can select any rotation. From this side we will rotate this piece 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see this is done, but this is rotated. Okay, so this is done, this is done. Now we will rotate these pieces. This is also in 45 degree. We will leave this piece and we will rotate these pieces same in this position. I will show this case in simple Pyraminx. You can see we need to rotate this edge piece and also need to rotate this edge piece. So hold cube like that and apply algorithm down, down, up, up, then rotate cube in this angle and will apply up u prime, down u. So you can see we have rotated our pieces. Okay, so this is proper rotated. We will keep these two pieces same in this position and apply same algorithm down, down, up, up, and then rotate cube in this side and once again apply this right side up, this top side inward, then this right side down, and then u. Okay, now you can see our algorithm is complete. So we have fixed one piece properly and these two pieces we make our ideal position. You can check, this is 45 degree rotated, this is also. Now we will hold cube like that and again we will rotate this cube 6 times. Sorry. So you can see we have find this kind of situation and our all pieces are done. So again we will hold these two pieces like that and we will apply our algorithm 3 or 4 times and our these pieces will fixed properly. So again we will apply right down, left down, right up, left up, rotate cube in this angle, then right up, u inward, right down and u. We have complete our algorithm one time. Again back in this position you can see our pieces are rotated little bit. Once again we will apply same algorithm. So right down, left down, right up, left up, then rotate cube right side and right up, u inward, right down, then u. 2 times we have apply our algorithm and you can see we have fixed our all edge pieces. Okay, so in this cube you can see this our this edge piece is flipped, this is also flipped and this is also flipped. So we will hold cube like that and we will rotate this layer 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. You can see these two are fixed and this is rotated. Now again we will apply same algorithm from this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, now we have fixed our all edge pieces, only one piece is rotated, so this is our parity. When we find this kind of parity, so we will rotate this side 12 times, and we will need to rotate two piece in this position. So this is our parity. We will rotate 12 times, and this piece will done, and our two edge piece will be rotated. So that was our requirement, because I want to solve our parity condition. So we will keep rotating this layer 12 times. Okay, this is done, and these two are rotated. So when we find this kind of situation, so we can solve these two pieces very easily. Same like that. Okay, so these two edge pieces are rotated. So same case, down down, up up, rotate in this side, right up, u prime, right down, u. So this is simple gear. In this cube we apply our algorithm one time, but this is our lazy cube, so we rotate our gear slowly. So we will apply our algorithm 4 times, so our cube will be done. So apply our algorithm 4 times, down down, up up, rotate in this side, right side up, u invert, right side down, and u. One time we have complete our algorithm. Again back in this position. Now you can see our pieces are rotating slowly. Second time, down down. This is our gear Rubik's cube, so its movement is very slow. Rotate in this side, and right up, u invert, right down, and then u. Two times we have complete our algorithm. You can see once again we have rotated some little bit. Third time we will apply same algorithm, down down, up up, rotate right side, then right up, u prime, right down, and then u. So we have apply our algorithm 3 times. This is our last time, and we will fix these edge complete edge pieces properly. So down down, up up, rotate cube from right side and right side up, u invert, right side down. Now you can see our cube is fixed, and u. Okay, now you can check our all edge pieces are properly fixed, and now we will solve our these main center pieces. So these are very simple. Okay, I can show this case in this 4x4 Pyraminx. Now you can check, this green will shift in this side, this yellow will shift in this side, and also from this side this blue and red will be rotated. So any two pieces that we can replace to each other, we will hold keep in our front and apply down down, up up, down down, up, down down, up. 3 times apply, algorithm and our cube is done. Same in this cube, we will find any two center pieces, same like that. This green need to be shift in this side, this red will shift in this side. We can replace these two pieces and also we can replace these two pieces. So any two pieces we will keep in our front and hold cube like that. This is our right side, this is our left side, and apply same algorithm 3 times. Down, down, up, up, one time. Again we will apply down, down, up, up, two time, and last time down, down, up and up. So our cube is done. Okay, so very simple and very easy Rubik's cube. Only this is very slow cube and its movement are very slow, because in this cube we have gear and these gear we can rotate very slowly. So you can see our cube is done.